just had the greatest idea. A great way to connect with people. Cook a fat Angus Reserve Scotch fillet, a good 500 gram, till it's perfectly cooked, and then serve it with a mixture of Fioretto, Brocollini, egg and anchovy salsa. I know a few mates that like to connect that way. Alright, let's just get started. So this is that delicious Scotch fillet I was talking about. So take it, grab a good 2 or 3 tablespoons of Rio Vista extra virgin olive oil, and then take a good pinch of salt, don't be shy, rub it into the meat. I don't know about you, I like plenty of black pepper. And I wouldn't even stop there, I would just keep going. So we need a hot grill. We want to feel the heat coming. We want to make that connection. You want to hear that? Some music to the ears. Oh, come on. Do you guys remember the old egg slicer? I still have one. And then straight into a bowl. So we're going to add a couple of tablespoons of baby capers. Probably about 8 fillets of anchovies. I know I said anchovies. Maybe you had a bad pizza as a child and have sworn never to eat anchovies again. But I would highly recommend you give them one more chance. It's not terrible salty little fish. It is a delicious flavor enhancer. So the thing I love about a piece of meat, oh wait, 10 seconds of silence please. A little bit of Dijon mustard. We're going to use half a bunch. The other half we're going to wrap in wet paper cloth, and we won't waste a thing. When it comes to shaving the stems, we'll go a little bit finer. Straight into the egg. So now as far as the vegetables, we're going to use this delicious Perfection Fresh Fioretto. Fundamentally, a cauliflower blossom. So pretty. Look at that. Straight on the grill because you've got one going. Let that cook away. It doesn't need a lot of cooking. I'm actually going to throw a good bunch of broccolini on. I'm just going to cook the whole thing, stems and all. A lot of people just trim them off and throw them out, and I'm like, oh, I'd eat that. Super tender. Let's throw some of that in as well. So the whole idea is that we char the veggies with a sprinkle of salt and cracked black pepper. We're going to add about a good cup of the Rio Vista Robust Extra Virgin Olive Oil. And 1 cup. Then we're going to add about 1/3 to half a cup of red wine vinegar. So the whole idea now is give the veggies a bit of a turn. You want them to char, you want them slightly darker. That's 500 grams. It took us about 10 to 12 minutes, and now allow it to rest for 6 minutes for the juices to set, so the juice doesn't run out when we cut it. So just give your knife a quick sharpen. Allows you to get a better texture when you carve it. Oh, look at that. Make sure you eat your greens. And then just drizzle over that delicious boiled egg and anchovy salsa. Oh. So I'd love to encourage you to share a plate with a mate. That's 1 delicious fat steak. That's 2 forks. Do the right thing. Go to the website, ozharvest.org, make a donation, do the right thing. It's time we change that narrative.